Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, the total number of toys which John have is 1000. So total number of toffees, sorry it should be toffees instead of toys. So total number of toffees equals 1000. Now what he does is he distributes 1 upon 4 of this in the class. So toffees distributed in class equals 1 upon 4 multiplied by 1000, which gives 250 toffees. Therefore remaining toffees will be equals 1000 minus 250, which gives us 750. So remaining toffees is 750. Now it has been given in the question that out of the remaining toffees he distributes 3 upon 5 to his teachers. So toffees distributed to teachers will be equals 3 upon 5 multiplied by remaining toffees, which is 750. So 5 will cancel out 750 and will produce 150, and 150 multiplied by 3 will give us 450. Therefore finally number of toffees remaining will be equals 750 minus of 450, which is equals 300 toffees. So this is the amount of toffees which he has finally left with. So thus this will be our final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.